Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Gina with Crafty Grandma Gina. How are you today? Today is the Craft Time Chronicles episode number 6. And this week we have a lot of tutorials, not much news going on, not a lot of stuff happened. Everybody's just busy getting ready for Thanksgiving and stuff, I think. And so we'll tell you what we got and go from there. Okay, Crafty, the yarn owl Darla, is doing a birthday giveaway video every day for 12 days. And you can go and do her word and get entered in her video into her giveaway. She is going to have 2 winners. Mama G Gear did an unboxing of the yarn she got from mystery bag from Carrie the Yarny Elephant. Club Crochet did a tutorial on a long neck turkey amigurumi. Pretty cute. And he did it while it was live, so it was like a 2-hour live. It was pretty good. Jan at an Alaskan Crafter put out a video showing us all the makes she's made since her last video. Ruthie's Crafting Corner showed us a blanket she's going to donate to Project Linus. Excuse me there. Hook Me Up Crochet with Kristie tells what the favorite things that she's learned to do this year. She's done Tunisian and other stuff. Go check it out. Bago Day put up a tutorial for a new beautiful wrap using Red Heart Ombre. Katrina's Crochet World showed us how to do the linked double crochet. Yarn and Pajamas shows us the stitch markers she's got for sale. Go check them out. They're very pretty. Crystal with in her Bod Life channel opens up a bunch more ornaments. They are so pretty. We are so talented. You are so talented. The Secret Yarnery, Krista, put up the last squares of her cowl, her blanket cowl this week. Lindsay shows us how to do the closed shell stitch. It's pretty cool. This one I don't know how to pronounce, but I'm going to try it. Atreyu Crochet did a hat, a men's hat out of C2C. Pretty cool. And Elastic Crafty Girl Victoria's back, and she's making some bags and some pouches, and she's got them for sale. Go check it out. Crystal over at Ricola's Crochet Corner went shopping at Michael's. Go see what she got. Crochet with Claire is Bob Wilson 123 formerly. She shows us how to yarn bomb a baseball hat. So you can take any of your hubby's old hats and turn them into yours. Happy Berry Crochet did a tutorial on a wrapped pencil pouch. Suwana's Craft Room shows us how to make a dress for a doll that she previously did a tutorial on, but they're very similar to Anaya's Toy Boxes dolls. Go check out. You can, if you got one, you can dress it in pretty dresses. Crochet.ElenaRugalStudio shows us how to make some beautiful wings that you can also use as other things. Cozy Baby Crochet does a crochet flower motif tutorial. Crochet for Baby put out a beautiful baby dress this week. And YOH Crochet still has her pattern for the Avalanche Snowman available to be entered. She put hers out for 2 weeks. I'm going to draw mine right after it while this one's uploading. It was supposed to be yesterday. Didn't get her done. I didn't feel good, so I'm drawing it as soon as I'm done here. And the struggling channels we got are an Alaskan Crafter with Jan, 135. Elaine Brown still at 100. My 21 cents has 24. We can do better than that. Randa's Crochet has 62. Crafting Adventures with Amy has 143. And Julia Fost has 184. I'm starting a new little segment in here for the holidays. I'm going to put some links down below of some recipes for side dishes to go with your Thanksgiving dinner. There's Marcia. She has baked macaroni and cheese. Looks really good. Serious Eats has classic sage and stuffing, or sausage stuffing. I don't like stuffing, but if you do, you might like this. And Chef Ange has Brussels sprouts with bacon. They looked amazing. And Natasha's Kitchen did a sweet potato casserole. I also don't like sweet potatoes, but for those of you who do, go check it out. And Catherine's Plates does a green bean casserole without the cream soup. It's pretty interesting. And Jessie Harry did a hash brown casserole. It looks really good. And then I got some additions to the schedule for the podcast and live schedules. Carrie does a live every day at 8 a.m. her time. That's Pacific Standard Time. Mrs. Hootie Hootenan's Crafts does Made It Monday. The Crotchety Clogger does Tuesday Tidbits tomorrow. Charmed Grammy Crochet does Tuesday Treats, and she did do a redraw for her 3K giveaway. Go find out if it was you. And if it was, claim it. Rolling Through Life does Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Granny D with Knit, Purl, and Squirrel does Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 and Saturday and Sunday at 3 Eastern Standard Time. Left is Right Crochet with Sandy does Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think that might be the wrong. She's on Central Time, so it might be Central Time. I think it's 7 Central. So it's probably 8 Eastern Standard Time. Lori's Crochet Corner 2 does Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jan Carruthers does hers on Saturday, but I don't know what time. So if someone would let me know what time, I'll put that in here. I just noticed that she goes every Saturday. Triple C, Creatively Created Crochet, does daily at 8 a.m. And on Thursdays at 5:30, and Monday and Fridays at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Natalie's Closet does Tuesday at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Ladybird Loves does lives on Friday at 6 p.m. GMT. That must be Global Mountain Time, or I don't know what it's called. Mama Swift does Saturdays at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The Crotchety Clogger does Thursdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A Yarn Addict with Karen does Mondays at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. That's today. Kim's Crochet and Knits does Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard. Crystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady, does Tuesdays and Fridays at 6:30 p.m. Central. J Hook Crochet does every Sunday at 6 p.m. Berlin time. That's noon Eastern Time. The Yarn Joy podcast, she does a weekly video on Thursdays, and Wednesdays she does Movie and Stitch, which is almost over, and Stitch Your Library. Just Another Stitch does Monday at 11:30, Wednesday at 7 p.m., and Saturday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Melissa Crochets with Love does Tuesdays at noon and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Katrina's Crochet World does Monday and Wednesdays at 2 p.m. and Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We still have a few cowls going on. Cowls, mals, and stuff. We have the 3-color challenge. We're still waiting for people to finish their projects so we can see what they've made with the 3 colors. The Movie and Stitch. Yarn Joey's almost over, but there's a bunch of them still going on. Nan's Next Knots, Luck of the Draw 4 is getting close to the finish of that one. The Fiberflux Fall Cowl of the Harvest Wave Shawl is still going on. Urban Yarns Mal of the Bush Tracker Beanie. It's hashtag Bush Tracker Beanie Mal. And you can either knit or crochet it. Then we got, check out Tracy at Crochet Rocks with Crochet Rocks, Hobby Rocks, Diet Rocks, and Steady Rocks. Thanks for watching this week, and I'll see you next week with more of the Chronicles. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.